Hey, you. I'm in Costa Rica. Look at this view. In the tropical rainforest. Volcano up there. Oh, man. It's a beautiful thing. Look at that. Look at that. It's a beautiful thing. Life. What's life? It's all about perspective, right? Life. Find out what it means to you, what it means to be alive. And once you do, you hold on to it.
Thank you, gracias.
Say what? Yeah. Alright, cool. So just made it to the La Fortuna waterfall. Man, this thing about to be dope, y'all. I'm in Costa Rica with it. I'm gonna try my best to get as much footage as I can, but I'm gonna be enjoying life. I got my boys with me. It's a beautiful thing. So stay tuned.
I don't want your drone to fall. Oh.
I had to figure that out the hard way. The moment I stopped getting that went mine.
We just started walking.
What's taking us so long? Yo, what's behind me? Shut up.
Let's see if you keep the same energy.
We gotta go left.
Yeah, we can go left. Had to make sure we got here early. Got here early to get this thing popping. Most people, oh, right here. Let me get a sign. Let me, They say we have 500 steps to go down. Whoo! Shouldn't be that bad, right? La Fortuna waterfall. They said we have 500 steps to go down. I'm excited. Oh yeah, I'm in Costa Rica. If y'all didn't know that by now. It's a beautiful thing. Look at this. What? Hold on, let me put the drone down. Look at that. Man, it's a beautiful thing. I'll see y'all in a minute.
You can go like this with your shoes too. Okay, thank you. We're in La Fortuna. The waterfall, y'all see that? That's insane. Bucket list stuff, right? La Fortuna. Y'all better send me some likes and y'all better reshare this video. This thing is free. And one of my boys behind the camera, Boise, he said no. Lennox said yes. Because if I can do it, you can do it right, Lennox. Would you have been for a little bit? I'll keep it. Can you stand up?
Yeah, I can stand.
Wait, very slippy.
Yeah, it's very good.
Yeah, that's it. That's a different type. Look on here. That's a different type of cold. cold. Come on. Pause. Let's pause. On the left side.
I'm good.
Hold on back there. Turn it sideways. So this one. So we ain't doing this deep. Y'all, so it's this thing is this thing is freezing cold. Make sure you can see me very well. This thing, hey, I got you. You go, even if it's for a hot set. Hey. I want to get his reaction before he get in first. Before he get in the water and touch the water. So have you guys been in yet? You mind if I put you on camera as well?
I feel it.
Y'all mind being on camera? It's fine. It's fine. You guys get in? Very cold. Nobody to that? Hey, it's so freezing. That's not gonna lie. It might be the coldest I've been in. Y'all better send me some likes and y'all better reshare this video. This thing is freezing. And one of my boys behind the camera, Boise, he said no. Lennox said yes. Because if I could do it, you can do it right, Lennox. Would you have been for a little bit?
I can't know.
How deep is it? Can you stand up? Or you...
Yeah, I can stand.
Wait, very slippery.
Yeah, it's very cool.
Yeah, that's a different type. That's a different type of cold. Turn it the other way, look.
I'm getting into it now.
Okay. Come on. Keep recording. Help your brother down low.
Step on this rock.
Pause it and help your brother. Just pause it.
Sure.
Put your hand that way.
On this rock. On this rock.
Just put your hand
Turn
down.
around.
Turn around.
Turn around.
Thank you. Now
Okay,
walk
now
back.
step down.
Yeah.
Step backwards. Step in the water. Step in the water.
Come on, say step down. Step down. Step down.
Oh.
That's what you did. Step down. Step where you
It's freezing.
It's fine. Just step your
I
feet
got
in.
it. You got it.
I got him. Get this phone there so I can record it together. That way. Come on. I know, just wait for a second. Put your feet right here and just wait. Just see. Just be used to it first. Just be used to it. Turn around. Turn around. I got you. Hey, we in Costa Rica. Live Fortuna. Okay. Stay right here. Stay right there. Then Daddy got to wait so he can video by himself. Keep recording. Stay right there. Stay right there. Just stay right there. Hold your hand right there. Just stay right there. Right here. Now sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Right there. Right there. Look straight ahead. Put the camera on the board.
This is freezing if you bring
I know. Go ahead.
You better
Is he by
end the
himself?
video. This thing is freezing.
Say we're in Costa Rica. Come on. Tell him it's freezing. Yeah. my son a whole casting out the waterfall. He's not acting, this stuff is free. I ain't never been nothing this cold a day in my life.
You don't want to
Get me out of here! Get me out of here! No! I don't want to. No!
Sure? Huh? Sure? You got a plan? Mother? Paano mo episode? Oh, no, no. Oh, no, no. I think it's about. Oh, no, no. Yeah. Look at the view. Look at the view. Look at the view. Look at the view.
Okay, cool. You feel like that? Nah, you're not in the deep part.
I ain't in the deep
You're in the deep part.
Put your foot in. Pause. Put your foot in.
How about this? I was hoping so much, man, boys, you gotta come down, man. You gotta come down. Alright, want to get out, huh?
I got some pictures too.
I'm just proud that you did it. Look, come here. Look, Sky. High five. I'm proud that you did it. Good job.
Thank you.
Yeah. I didn't do nothing like this till I was 35. Hey, y'all, that ain't my real age. That ain't my real age. Stop. Hey, this is beautiful. Not Fortuna. Costa Rica. Peace time. Paying for energy, baby. What type of energy you giving? Listen. Get out of here. Hit the rock with my feet. There's a big boulder right there. That hurt. I don't want to show y'all my future now. Man, I never felt anything like that before. That's beautiful. That's beautiful, y'all. Spin them around. Show them what we got. That's beautiful. Woo. Hey, your boy Ty. You know what? I'm motherfucking tired. Like Thug, dog. I made it, y'all.
It's my bed.
Hey, now.
I'm 70. I made a video call.
Be careful.
Yeah.
Look at that right there. I know y'all tired of me lecturing y'all.
I can do it, you can do it. I'm not your competition. I'm your food. Look where I'm at. Costa Rica, La Fortuna. In front of a waterfall. And did I go all the way to the waterfall? I gotta just go over to the video. Peace out. Fans will hit me. Look, La Fortuna with it. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. I don't know what else to say. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. I got my son with me. Come on, Lo. Got this big good. I got my son with me out here. We at the waterfall. La Fortuna. I made it to the waterfall. It's a beautiful thing. Do this thing work? Insane. Insane.
It's too cold to be doing all that.
Jump off that rock.
Dad, where you at?
no pasa nada, la puso acá y me tira, nadie la va a agarrar.
can barely touch. You gotta go straight out. I think it's like that, dude. If you just try to slide in, I don't want to shoot that.
Feels good though.
Watch out, B.
I'm recording.
You guys want to stand on that rock? Yeah, we went to a cenote and South came through.
They can't even go past.
Yeah.
Yeah, you not moving. You not moving. You wasn't even moving. You wasn't even moving. I'm saying when you was going out there, you wasn't moving.
So I just got out of there, hurting. I tried to swim all the way close to it, but whew, it's like the closer I got, it was pushing me. But if you swim under, it started to go, woo! And I was like, oh, let me get up out of there, let me get up out of there. And then when you're swimming back, it's easier to swim back because you're going with the current. It's pushing you already. But the closer you get, it starts to pull you down. I miss it already. Peace out. I came, I conquered. All the way from America, Chattanooga, Tennessee, Atlanta, Georgia. I came and I conquered. It's a beautiful thing. Peace out. Oh yeah, make sure y'all follow me on social media. Passport Energy on Instagram, TikTok, and Growing the Family on YouTube for all the longer videos like these. Peace. Come on. I think I got water in my phone. Let's go. Let's go. We're gonna act like it's a Stairmaster. It's worth it. It's worth it.
You can do it.
Hello. It's worth it. It's worth it.
You hear that, people? It's worth it.
It's definitely worth it. Y'all enjoy. Look at that. They just going down. Whew. Hello. I am. That's what I said. We're getting them 500 steps in. That's crazy, right? I'm telling them how far it is to the bottom. Ain't nobody telling me how far it is to the top. Whew. I'm tired. I'm telling everybody that's walking past how far it is to the bottom and that they could do it. Ain't nobody walking by telling me how far it is to the top. Whew. 500 steps is crazy. I do that all the time though. 1,000 steps on the treadmill. Let's see. Almost there. Look at that view. It was all worth it. It was all worth it. Hola.
It's hard on the way up, isn't
It is. Oh, hey, hello. It ain't that bad. I just was running, trying to get a workout in. Hello. You gotta ask the young man. Is it hard to you? Yeah. Oh, well, if it's hard to you, then it is hard. You younger guy.
This was a one-way
Hello.
trail.
Look at it, y'all. Whew. It's definitely worth it. Definitely worth it. You must have bet somebody how quick you can come up. No. Cause you got hit quick. Where you guys from?
Alabama.
Huh? Alabama? Pleasure to meet you, Sean. Tennessee, Atlanta.
That's living Tennessee.
Oh, you did? What part?
Clarksville.
Okay, not far from Chattanooga. That's where I was staying. That's where I'm from. Atlanta too. Whew. I made it, y'all. I made it. Whew. Come check me out. Whew. 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 That's insane. That's insane. That's insane. Oh, made it back to the top. Oh, gosh. Made it back to the top, guys. Whew. Peace out. I got a cramp now. Whew. I caught a cramp. Because he said it'd take 30 minutes to make it up them steps. It didn't take me no 30 minutes. Until, excuse me, it's gonna take 30 minutes. Man, that's gonna take like 7 minutes. You gonna challenge me like that? Like I'm the old man. I ain't an old man. Well, maybe I am. God dang. Whew. So I'm eating pizza at this place right here, right? And I tell you, it's good. It's more fresh than in America. The place is called La Vida Steakhouse and Pizza. You should try it if you ever come to La Fortuna, Costa Rica. I'm in Costa Rica, and when I tell you, they had the most prettiest money I've ever seen. Zoom into that. Look at that. Look at this. Can you see the mountains? Take a picture. I got you. It's the most gorgeous money I ever seen. Let me know which one you like better. Is it the pink one? Is it the yellow one? Is it the blue one? Or is it the red one? We're gonna call that red. Wait, hey, I got $1 million. No. I got $1 million. Million.
Could I have some of that money?
Peace out.
I'm gonna get that.